Hey guys, wanna know how to add audio in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, make sure you have Filmora installed. And once you run it, just simply open its application right here. And once you've opened it, now right here in this highlighted part, you can see import. You can just simply click on it. Now once you're there, you have been directed to the file explorer. Now you can just simply browse and search for any audio that you like. Now I'll just choose this audio right here. And there you have it. Your audio has been imported. Now you can add it to the timeline by clicking this plus icon or just dragging and dropping it. And there you have it. Now you have successfully imported your audio in Filmora. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.